Okay. All right, Jared, we got you. We're gonna take you on a little exploration of the Upson Farm again. We're starting at the campsite, and we're gonna take you to the waterfall. So you basically saw everything up to this point, and so this is all new. There's Mace. So I just got him.
Check out my gear shift, Jared.
Right, I don't know if you can see that or not. All right, so we're gonna go past the tobacco barn. Beautiful day, getting up to 80. Heard a couple of turkeys this morning, that was about it. No shots. So, this is our old tobacco field. We'll wind her up here a little bit. Creek down there, probably can't really see it. Back in the barn. Alright, swinging around. So on the hill to the up of both sides. Whoa! A little stick got me. Alright, so we're coming. There's another field over there. I'll take you into in a little bit. Coming into this nice little area. Got a pistol range kind of set up over there. If you can see, one of the wires was shot down by the paintballers. But it's very... So still heading to the waterfall here. There's the creek down there again. Oh yeah, there goes a great blue heron. Probably didn't see it. Big old tiger butterfly. Beautiful day, wish you were here. We got another road over on that side of the creek. Can't really see it. But still leafing out here. Summertime, this will be completely shade. We're not fully leafed out here in the tree, top of the trees. Just a little narrow here with the big rock, and there's the creek. And there's kind of waterfall coming up. A low bridge. I'll get this tree one of these days. This came down over the winter. A little bouncy through this section. Yeah. Picnic table down there. I don't know if you can see that. This is coming up to the waterfall. A little swimming hole. Back to picnic table there. So anyway, I get some big chub minnows in there, but pretty. So anyway, that's the waterfall. Here's the end of the property on this side. Coming up, you'll see comb and turn around here in the creek, and that'll be the tour number 1 for us today. Yeah. So signing off. Alright, so here we are down at the waterfall. Backing up, here's the picnic table. Mace had to go for a quick swim in there, but I think you saw it was kind of crystal clear before, but it's all spring fed. Temperatures usually about 50 degrees most of the year. So in August when it's 90s feel real good, but you still got numb. So anyway. And then when this is kind of in flood stage, which maybe we're supposed to be getting rain, so you might see this waterfall when it's really cooking.
Yeah, we need to show them after it rains a little bit.
Right.
It'll be a different waterfall.
Anyway, another pretty place. So come here, eat lunch. Good sex table right here. See ya.